Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to explore the body tag. As you know that we are talking about the body tag in this video. The body section is the central part of the HTML document which is required to display content on the web page. I had already told you that whatever text and graphic or either the tags which we use under the body tag appears on the uh, uh, our web page. Only that things will appear on the web page which we are doing in under the body tag. The body section begins with the body tag. It contains the actual visible content of an HTML document. The body tag contains the visible content of an HTML document. You can enhance the body of web page by defining headings, images and videos. You can define headings by using the heading tags that are h1 up to h6, and you can also add images to your web page under the body tag by using the image tag which I am going to tell you further, and you can also add audios and videos to your web page under the body tag by defining them under the body tag. Now the first thing which I am going to tell you is applying headings. How you will apply heading I am going to tell you later, but before that you have to understand this, that with HTML you can also define headings for a web page. HTML allows you 6 levels of headings. HTML allows 6 levels of headings ranging from h1 to h6. The h1 tag, you have to know that the tags are enclosed in these triangular brackets. The h1 tag is used to define the topmost heading. The topmost heading is defined by the h1 tag, whereas the h6 tag is used to define the lowest heading. You should know that h1 tag is used for the topmost heading. The h2 tag will also is also used to define the heading, but that will be smaller than the h1 tag heading. The heading size indicates the heading level, with h1 being the biggest and h6 being the smallest. Now I'm going to show you whatever I have explained in this by practical example. So for defining heading, first we have to define the body tag. And under body tag we can apply headings. First will be the h1. I'm going to give it some heading, welcome. Now I'm going to give another heading that is h2. You can also use h3, h4, h5 and so on. Now I am giving it some heading, there are 12 months in a year. This is just an example. Now I'm taking the H6 heading. There are 7 days in a week. Now I'm going to save it and run this document. You can see here that the whatever I have given the heading in the H1 tag is the biggest, and the heading which I have given in the H6 tag is the smallest one. The heading which I have given in the H2 tag is greater than H6 but smaller than H1. So this is how you have to apply the heading. Now we will talk about adding the paragraphs. You can use the following tags, that is p tag, details tag and summary tag, to add new paragraphs in an HTML document. So first we talk about the p tag. The p tag adds a new paragraph in the HTML document. It specifies that there is a break in the line content to begin a new paragraph. This means that you don't have to add the break tag for a new paragraph. The p tag itself the p tag itself adds a line break before you can explain that thing in this line which I am going to tell you. The p tag is a container tag. As I had already told you that the tag has to be closed if opened. It's called container tag. The p tag when opened should also be closed at the same time. Therefore, p tag is a container tag. Browser automatically add one line space before and after the content specified within this tag. The meaning of this line and the meaning of this line cannot be explained theoretically, so I am going to explain it practically. Before using the p tag, we have to define the body tag. As we are exploring the body tag, p tag should also be defined under the body tag as headings are defined under the body tag. So I'm defining the p tag. As you can see, I had opened the p tag and closed the p tag at the same time. Therefore, p tag is a container tag. So I'm giving the first paragraph. Welcome to book your ticket website. This is the first paragraph, and now I'm defining the second paragraph by using another p tag. So here I'm giving the paragraph leave your nitty gritty about cooking your ticket on us. So I'm going to save it and then run it. So you can see here that after the first paragraph you don't have to give a line break before starting the second paragraph. The p tag itself accomplishes this task. So the meaning of this line that it specifies that there is a break in the content to begin a new paragraph. I have explained it practically. I have explained it practically here that before starting the second paragraph it specifies a break itself by himself. So this is the p tag. Now the second tag for adding paragraphs is the details tag. The details tag specifies the additional content that a user can view or hide as per requirement. So you can use detail tag for adding an additional content that you want to view or hide as per your requirement. It makes an interactive widget on a website that a user can open or close. The details tag provides the open attribute. By default, this attribute expands the content present in details tag. So whatever I explained here, I am going to show you practically that how it works. So for defining details tag, first you have to define the body tag. Then under the body tag, you can define details tag and closed it at the same time. Then in the details tag you can write any you can add any additional content that you want. I am writing here my name is Ananya Avasthi and I welcome you to my website. Then you have to save it and then run it. You can see that it gives you an interactive widget that you can open or close. So I'm opening it, and whatever you give an additional content to your website will appear here. So as I just like I open it, I can also close it. So it gives you an interactive widget that you can open or close as per your requirement. So this was the details tag. Now the third tag for adding paragraph is the summary tag. The summary tag specifies a heading for the details tag. When you can see that there was no heading for the details tag, it was showing only details. Now when we will use the summary tag, we can give any heading to this details tag. So the summary tag specifies a heading for the details tag. Users can click this heading to view or hide the details. It should be the first child element of the details tag. Summary tag is the first child element of the details tag. Now I am going to show the practical work of the summary tag. Under the body tag, we will define the summary tag, and we can give, and you have also to close it. Now you can give any name, any heading to your detail tag. I am giving it info. Then save it and run it. You can see that there I have given a heading to my details tag. So this was the use of the summary tag. So I have explained you the p tag, the details tag and the summary tag for adding paragraphs. So much in this video. Thank you.